My name is Vivian Rahma. I'm from Diploma. Here I will expand about the Indonesian wedding tradition. Wedding tradition in Indonesia, with thousands of ethnicity, it is no doubt that the Indonesian tradition wedding is filled with diverse cultures and customs. For the tradition and ritual vary, yet some rituals are much more unique than others. Here is a compilation of unique Indonesian wedding tradition. Javanese Pingitan tradition. In Central Javanese culture, Pingitan or seculation is a tradition where the bride is not allowed to leave their house in a curtain. Among of them neither is the groom. During this time, they are not allowed to see each other. Many believe that this old tradition will bring benefit to both the bride and groom, as its intent to prevent any perils that can possibly happen to the bird. Next, Minangkabau proposing to the groom. Uniquely other wedding customs, the family of the bride in Minangkabau becomes the one to propose to her groom. The first step is to visit the groom's family. When the proposal is accepted, the bride's family gives heirloom to the groom's family, and so does the groom's family. These heirlooms exchange works as binding symbols. They later continue the procession by bearing various sorts of wood and fruit arrangements. Next, Sinamot in Batak culture. Sinamot is a marriage procession in Batak ethnicity. Regarding the negotiation of marriage dowry, the amount of the dowry given depends on social status, level of education, and career from the woman's side. For instance, women with university degrees will be honored with higher value compared to women with high school graduates. Not only the bride's education background is important, the groom's is too. It is used as benchmark for the man to have higher education level, as he will be able to support his future family. In conclusion, Sinamot is not merely about materials, but to avoid impending failures or divorce after a carefully planned and costly marriage. Next, Nyantri tradition from Yogyakarta. Contrary to Javanese Pengetan, the tradition of Nyantri from Yogyakarta, Sultan requires the groom to live in his birth's residence a few days before the wedding. This is due to the arranged marriage. In ancient times, it's common that the bride doesn't know the groom and the groom doesn't either. In the end, it could provoke one of the involved parties to leave the marriage. To prevent any of that happening in the future, the groom is usually asked to stay close to this bride. This does not mean he will be sleeping at the bride's house, but to live in the relative's house or at her neighbor's. The conclusion is, Pingitan or seculation is a tradition where the bride is not allowed to leave their house in a certain amount of time, neither is the groom. Next, the bride's family gives heirloom to the groom's family, and